Facebook Stories is a feature which allows users to share photos, videos, and animations that disappear after 24 hours. While this is a cool feature, it also comes with certain limitations. Facebook has long set the limit for videos posted to Stories to be 20 seconds, as well as 26 seconds for Messenger. If the video length exceeds this number, Facebook will require users to trim the video before posting, causing much discomfort to users. Here is how I have uploaded the full-length video on Facebook Story. Open Messenger app on Android and open One Chat with your friends. Tap on Photo and Videos icon. Choose a video. Don't send it, just choose Edit. You will see the option Add to Story. Tap on it and wait until the video to full length is uploaded on your Facebook Story. As far as I can see, Messenger has some features both on Android and iOS devices. It means the same tricks will work on iOS too if you have an iPhone. This method is efficient and takes some time to upload. Not to forget, you won't have any feature of the Facebook Story, like stickers, text, draws, effects, and animations. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.